So there's always a balance, right? It's like you're either hard selling somebody or you're just giving them value. It's never one or the other. It's there's always like a sliding scale, right? So if you
Yeah.
have a really good story to tell, or Jordan has a really good story to tell, you can just tell that story and people will be like, wow, that was amazing. Maybe it's relatable. Maybe it's, I don't know. But like for me, the best email I've ever written that's gotten the best response is about the day my grandfather died. I wrote like a whole lesson about all the things that I learned. And people reply to that email like crazy. And they're like, this was touching. Thank you. So I don't sell anything in that. That would be kind of weird. Um,
Yeah.
but people, even when they meet me in person, they're like, hey, I read that email about your grandfather. So like I know that when people read that email, they like me more. So I'm not going to sell anything. That's okay. But then there's other emails where I am going to hard pitch you until you buy because
Yeah.
at the end of the day, you have an email list so you can make money from it. So I don't want you to have this idea that it has to be like value all the time and only sell in the PS. Like if you want to run a sale because it's a holiday or because you're closing an offer down soon, or maybe you're raising your prices soon, or you're running the discount, like whatever it is, like definitely you can hard pitch them for like a week and make a lot of money from it because that's what I do. Now it doesn't just have to be during sales. Like you can have sometimes where you tell a story and you sell in the PS. You can have times where you really hard sale. You can have times in the middle where you just kind of like tell a story and then you correlate the story to a product that you have for sale. So a really good example of this would be one time I wrote an interesting story about like why Henry Ford was the smartest. Henry Ford was like doing 2020 marketing in the 1900s. And the whole point was like he had this he sold his sawdust, right? So like he would use wood to make cars back then, and the sawdust they used to throw it in the trash and they wouldn't ever use it. But then they ended up using that sawdust to create Kingsford charcoal because the charcoal is actually like made from wood shavings, and they created another company out of it, which has been very successful. And I correlated that story to one of my products that helps people make money when people unsubscribe from their list. So it's like you're taking something that you think
Mm.
wasn't valuable and you're making it valuable again. So I like took a story and then I tied it to one of my products.